Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add sample products to your WooCommerce website. So let's get started. So WooCommerce is basically a plugin that enables e-commerce functionality to your WordPress website. So whenever you install WooCommerce for the first time, you won't have any products displayed on your shop page. Now, if you want to see how a product looks on your WooCommerce website with the current theme, then you have to manually create products in WooCommerce, and now it will take a lot of time for you to create a lot of products for your WooCommerce website just for testing. So today I will show you how to add a lot of products to your WooCommerce website without wasting a lot of your time. So first of all, let me add the WooCommerce plugin. So I'll just click on plugins and click on add new. Then just search for WooCommerce and then click on install now. Now just click on activate, and I'll just skip these steps for now and just click on not right now. And now we have to add some WooCommerce specific pages to our website. So we'll go to WooCommerce and then go to status and then click on tools and then scroll down, and here it says create WooCommerce pages. So just click on create pages. Alright, now all the required pages for WooCommerce have been created. Now let's add our sample products to our WooCommerce. So first of all, you need to download the CSV file for the sample data. So just Google for WooCommerce sample data and you'll get this link of the sample CSV file. So just go ahead and click on the sample CSV file and it will be downloaded. Now just go to tools and then click on import. And we have this option called WooCommerce products. So just click on run importer. Now here you need to choose your CSV file that you just downloaded. So here is the file called dummydata.csv that we just downloaded. So just click on that and click on open and then click on continue. And here we have several options to map our CSV fields to the products. So everything is already being selected correctly. So let's go ahead and scroll down and then just click on run the importer. And the import has been completed and we have 28 products now. Now to go to the shop page of our website, just click on visit store. And here we can see all the products that have been imported into our WooCommerce website. And we can see how it saves us a lot of time by importing all these products over here. And now we can easily go ahead and test it out. So if I click on any one of these products, this is how the product page looks. So we have all this information being filled in over here. We have the short description, we have some categories and all those things over here. Now these pages will look different depending on the theme. So if you want to change the appearance, then you have to change the theme or make some customization to the theme. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.